Hey guys, what's up? What is up? What is it? What's cooking? What's up with you? Welcome back to my channel. I congratulate you for coming back because this is honestly a once in a lifetime moment for you. Congrats. For today's video, I'm gonna do a formal / prom makeup look because this year, 2020, has all the proms, all formals canceled. I'm not happy about it. I'm just gonna give you a look of what I would have done I were going to formal. So, first things first, I'm going to spray a little bit of this dewy set. Get it nice and hot. And then I'm going to take this Wet n Wild cucumber. Never mind, I thought I was going to burp. But guys, let me tell y'all something. I literally can't do this anymore. I got so aggravated yesterday. Yesterday was just one of those days where it was just really shitty. I was just not feeling it. That's okay. Like, you know, we all have those days. It's fine. Just gotta put one step in front of the other. I am gonna start off with the eyes first instead of doing my face because fallout might happen. I don't want it to get mixed up in my foundation and concealer. First, I am using Jaclyn Hill palette. Top 2 transition shades right here. And I'm just gonna pop that in my crease. And we're just gonna blend that in the crease. And I'm kind of gonna drag it out a little bit. Yeah, I'm just like really focusing on blending out this transition shade. Whoa. Now I'm going to take a smaller Morphe blending brush and I'm going to deeper brown shade. I'm just gonna take that shade and kind of focus it on the outer corner. Still not being too precise with it. I'm gonna blend it and bring it into the crease, but really just focusing it on the outer corner. I think I'm just gonna do one eye and then do the other eye off camera so it's faster. We're kind of gonna do like a smoky eye kind of look. We're gonna take fluffy blending brush and go into darker brush. Take one side of my brush instead of doing both sides. I'm just gonna take one, dab it, tap off the excess, and I'm just gonna work that. Really just focusing this on my outer V and kind of dragging it out. And then again, I'm gonna bring it into the crease just because like it just flows better, if that makes any sense. I'm gonna take this yellow. You might be like, what the freak? Trust me, guys. I'm just gonna be kind of generous with it because this color is on the light side, I guess, and it's really good with blending out those edges, as you can see, and it just kind of like morphs everything together nicely, like so. Now for the fun part. I'm gonna take this Stila All Stay liquid eyeshadow. If y'all haven't seen these, y'all need to go buy one right now. This is in the shade Kid Karma. It's like their signature. What I'm going to do is just apply this on the lid like so. I have time to like move it around, so I'm just gonna take my middle finger and I'm just gonna like start to like pounce it in and start blending it. Okay, I'm gonna take a blending brush and just kind of wipe off those sparkles up where our crease is. Maybe a little bit more. Like, focus it on the inner corner. But now I'm just gonna go back into a darker shade, a smaller flat shader brush. I'm gonna go in and mix these, and I'm lightly. And I'm gonna take this on the outer corner again because I feel like we lost some of that depthness that we had. And then take a blending brush once again, blend it out. Just like so. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Now that I look like kind of crazy, the foundation that I'm going to use today is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and this foundation is amazing because 1, it's from the drugstore, 2, it does so well with flash photography. It's just amazing. But I'm just gonna apply this everywhere like peanut butter, and I just got it all in my hair. Yay! I'm gonna add a little bit of this BB cream. It honestly helps the blending really well with like a lighter kind of foundation. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pounce this in to the skin. 'Cause you know how it is, bro. You know how it is. I don't know how I feel about this. It's honest, it's soft, it's fine, it works, but like, not the softest. These Physician Formula beauty blenders aren't my favorite. My mom got one from TJ Maxx for like $3. Literally amazing. Perfect. We'll apply more later, but I just wanted to get some type of foundation on my face. Now I'm gonna take this Maybelline and I'm just gonna pop some of that. I'm just gonna blend this into your skin. Cleans up the eyeshadow from the side, as you can see. Being kind of careful with like the inner corner. Guys, let's talk about something. Let's talk what's going on. Let's talk about the draft. We need some more, you know, boy viewers on this channel for sure. The draft, what's his name? Joe Burrow, you know, Trophy Heisman. He was the first pick, and when I was watching, I could not believe my eyes. He doesn't smile. That makes me so mad. You just got drafted into the NFL and you can't smile, and he didn't even hug his parents. He gave them like a little middle school side hug. I was like, are you okay? I have like sparkles in the middle of my forehead, so that's lovely. I'm gonna apply a little bit more of this foundation on the spots where I need more coverage. I tend to have some acne scarring. Love that. Pour a little bit more on my forehead, my forehead, and we're just gonna blend away. And it's important to I was so excited for formal this year. It was gonna be such a good time. My first time going to Myrtle Beach, I was like, next thing you know, it's canceled. Oh my god. And I was like looking at dresses. It was just all in all a fun, happy time to be alive. And then thank you coronavirus for screwing all this up. Like, really? Whatever. I'm gonna take this Laura Mercier setting translucent powder, and I'm just gonna put some of that on the pan, and we're gonna bake a little bit. Since, you know, we're gonna dance the night away, we don't want all of our hard work to just melt off. We're just gonna dab into the powder, and I'm gonna make sure that there's no creasing before I put powder on. So I'm just gonna like tap my eyelid and then pounce it into the skin. Other eye. Just like that. And we're like really cooking, bro. We're gonna really cook. Speaking of cooking, have y'all gotten like really into cooking? I've been really into baking. I love making cookies. I love making brownies. I love making shit for the family. It's just all in all a good time. It's something to do. I really need to get these sparkles out in between my eyebrows. Whatever. Now, we're gonna go ahead and contour. I'm gonna take this butter bronzer contour. I am in need, I told y'all this in my other video, but I'm in need for another contour palette because mine completely shattered at school. Love that. Like, what I also don't understand is why makeup is so expensive. Like, a powder from the ground, you're selling it for $50. The food. Like, how? How is that legal, honestly? I don't know. I'm gonna contour the cheekbones, and I'm focusing it on the outer portion instead of just dragging it all the way in, because as you can see, it just carves your cheekbones better. And I'm gonna just set these aside. Bring it down to our jawline. I'm gonna contour the nose a little bit, so I'm just taking the same brush. I'm gonna pinch it, and I'm just gonna go along the sides of my nose. I don't really be too precise with this. I just like having a tan nose that looks somewhat like slim. Now that we have that going on, this Hourglass bronzer and Diffuse Bronze Light, very pretty. I'm just gonna take this bronzer brush, just a big brush, anything will do, and I'm just gonna literally just tap like 4 times, maybe like 6, I don't know, and we're just gonna bronze up the face. Take some more on my neck. Blending is key. We the best music. I'm gonna bake my contour. I never do, but we're gonna do it today. So I'm gonna go back into the translucent powder, and I'm just gonna follow that contour. Just gonna put powder right there. And we're just gonna let that sit. So now that we have that cooking, we are gonna move on to blush. So oh god. I'm gonna take this Tarte blush in Captivating. It's 12-hour wear. Again, great for when you wanna break it down on the dance floor. It won't come off. This e.l.f. blush brush, and swirl it into my blush. And you know, don't be afraid to have a heavy hand at first, because blush is one of the first things that tends to fade away on your face first. You know, I feel like some people are afraid of blush because we don't want to look too like crazy, I guess, but I think it really just ties in the whole makeup look together, and it just makes it look like a masterpiece. Because we are a masterpiece, guys. Don't let anyone tell you different. We are amazing. You're amazing. Like, everyone's amazing. Don't let anyone tell you. I'm just putting some on my nose and on my temples because that's where the sun would hit you, right? I'm just going to take this stippling brush. It's really messed up, as you can see. Got it at TJ Maxx like a long time ago. And I'm just going to like just work over the contour and blush just to help blend it in together. I think I put more blush on this side than the other side, so that's another thing. You can see how much you need to put on, how much less. Like, you just gotta go with the flow, man. You gotta go with the flow. Now we're gonna use highlighter. The highlighter that we're gonna use today is this Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick and Bronze Glow. Take our fan brush and I'm just gonna dive right into it. The tops of my temples a little bit. Do it on the other side. I'll put some on my lip, my nose, the bridge a little bit. Also, we're gonna take some and put it underneath our brow bone. I'm going to put my mascara on, and then I'm gonna wipe away the bakage, and we're gonna work on our lower lash line and just finish the lips, and then we're gonna be done, guys. So I'll be back in a second. Yeah. Okay guys, so now that I have my mascara on, I'm gonna wipe away the bakage that we put all over our face, and I'm just gonna blend it out. Another sparkle. The thing about that Stila thing, guys, is that sparkles might be everywhere. Now we're gonna work on our lower lash line real quick. I'm gonna take this. This is a wet mod brush. Love this for the under eye. It's perfect for smoking things out. I'm gonna take the True Transition shades that we used on our eyes. I'm gonna blend that on the lower lash line. I'm gonna blend it and flick it and connect it to our eyelid. Practicing doing that foxy eye look, but by connecting it like this, it helps with creating that look, I guess. Now I'm gonna take just a deeper brown, and I'm gonna lightly tap into it, and I'm just gonna focus this on the outer portions of my lower lash line, and just to help smoke it out. Formal Prom mascara, but of this just shimmer color. I'll pop this on the inner eyelid right here. Okay guys, I'm back. So I just wanted to come on and say what mascara I was using. I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic in Black is Black. It's great for lengthening, and a trick that I like to use when I put mascara on my lower lash line is when I'm done and it kind of dries a little bit, I take any finger and I kind of just lightly, it helps separate the lashes by just kind of fanning through them, working with it. It helps it set on in like the right spot before, you know what I'm talking about? I need a new lip liner. I'm going to be using the same one until any makeup brand wants to like sponsor me or something and send me some product. I'm going to take this Candy K lip liner and I'm just going to line my lip. Ooh. Now I'm going to take this MAC lipstick. I'm just taking a little bit in the center, rubbing my lips together, and then just patting it out. Do we need lip gloss? I think we need lip gloss. Anastasia lip gloss, and I don't know. I'm just going to pop that on the center of my lips. With it out. Oh yeah, we needed that for sure. My eyebrows. I'm gonna do my eyebrows just to show y'all like what it looks like, and y'all let me know how y'all feel about it. I don't know if I like it or not. Just taking this Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil, and I'm just brushing out my brows like that, and I'm just gonna lightly brush this through my brows. I know like some YouTubers have like separate videos of them doing their brows, but like I'm probably not gonna have one of those guys. I'm not gonna have one of them. I'm not doing it. I'm not here for it. I'm here for it, but like that would be a stupid video because I'm just showing y'all right now. I don't know if this did anything, guys. I think it did. I think this just adds a little more definition, more pizzazz, kind of brings the whole look together, if you know what I mean. I need to stop singing. I wish I had a setting thing for my brows, but enough of that bullshit. Should I like change into a dress? Yeah. So I was going to put on a dress, but I forgot the one dress that I do have. It's at school. So I'm sorry for not giving you the full look. It's gonna be fine. I hope y'all like this video. Please give it a like. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of makeup tutorials, some, you know, beauty tips, some hacks. I don't know, guys. Just keep on the lookout. Turn on the notification bell if you want to be notified every time I post a video, because I know y'all do. To the friends that are watching this video, y'all are the real OG, and I hope y'all have a great day. Happy formal, happy prom. Live it up. Stay groovy, my friends.